In this short presentation, we'll demonstrate how to use the Zimbra Briefcase to store images that can later be inserted into discussion posts for the Digital Image Processing course at Michigan Tech. Well, here's a method that Michigan Tech students can use to embed images into a Canvas discussion post for our Digital Image Processing course. To embed an image in a discussion post, we first need to store the image in a location where it can be assigned a URL. One way to do that is to use a briefcase within Michigan Tech's Zimbra system. To do this, you first need to log in to huskymail.mtu.edu. After doing so, you should navigate to the Briefcase tab. Once there, you can use this button to create a new briefcase. You can give the briefcase any name, but I'll call mine DIP Images for Digital Image Processing Images. Once we've created a new briefcase, we can right-click on our new briefcase and select the option to share the folder. Within the Share Folder option, let's select Share with the public, view only, no password required. Well, after doing that, we can select the Upload File button and select the image file we'd like to embed into our discussion post. Unfortunately, it appears that you can't upload more than one file at a time, so we'll need to do this for each of the images that we want to embed. Well, now let's edit a discussion entry in Canvas. So here's the editing window for a discussion entry, and we can begin by typing some text. So let's say the first thing we want to do is insert our resized image. So let's type, here is my resized image. So the way to insert an image into a post is to select the image icon in the editing tool that says Embed Image, and we'll need a URL for the image that we'd like to embed. Well, now let's go back to our Zimbra window, find the image that we want to embed, in this case TGS resize.jpg. I'll select that image and it opens up in another window. Now I'm using the Chrome web browser. It should do a similar action with the web browser that you're using. At this point, I can see the URL for this image, and if I copy that, and I'll come back to my document editor and paste it. And at that point, I can embed that image. And now I'll do the same for the stretched and swirled images. Here are my stretched and swirled images. So back over to the Zimbra editor. Let's get the stretched image. I'll select that, grab its URL, come back to the Canvas discussion editor, insert an image, replace that with the new URL, embed it. There's a stretched image, and next to that I'll come back over to Zimbra, select the swirled image, get its URL, come back to my editor, embed an image, replace that one, embed the image. There they are. So I have the resized image, the stretched and the swirled. At that point I can post the entry.